So I'm reporting live from Osu, and as you can see behind me, demolition of this four-story building has finally been completed. This is Move with Big How I'll bring you all the details. Porcelain. According to my sources, this building is older than Ghana. Chese is over 70 years. What you say, Akokrapa ni Jina Osano. But it currently doesn't look good. It looks like it's going to collapse any moment from now. Until not the moment authorities decide to say omobe demolish what you say into dino and what you see ye bubu and yasem keto. I am about there, but I'm very sure say government will compensate them or probably give them another alternative. What you say into the motion building. Say, oh go look at this, Charlie. Has you not mean that what's man the day. Anyway, Akwamayo was around and he had a lot to say to extent say he even touched on sanitation or say why will be who say what down for be air to bola a guga temu na any place where any piano. Konako report madnat before no na ye ma reward of 200 Ghana cedis. He said there's a more, so listen.
Sisi awu obi so di ngwa guga temu. Now Chiriko Kolekote, Uchiriko Gahiso, able to out 200 Ghana cedis. Nani pano afine into assembly no will not lose and I also over there information no will lose and I also over there information no will lose the panel no go run go Google them no on and no betre no what I say it's this can serve say a part-time job so now kuma na o hwe umu ya kra na we twa and once who and I say as Ghana card it say uchi obi na hwe check ya you can find where the person is coming from. You see, beautiful Friday to that. Make sure say, so we move on. Make sure we are. Move on. We are good.
Last one, Honorable.
I beg you. Anywhere you see a building that has a crack, just come and report. Now we don't want to put any price tag there. If you put a price tag, people will use hammer to hit people's payments. You don't know Ghanaians. Hey, Ghana.
I'll pay drama no.
I'll pay drama no. Wow, Obi War. No one on the hammer. Go one and two. Now one after I will try the other.
English.
What I'm saying is that we should be each other's keeper. We can only be successful if the citizens are helping us. We can only be successful if we are working together. Look, life is very short, but how you live and how you do your things will show whether you are going to live long or you are going to live short. We should be each other's keeper and report any building you see with a crack. Please let the assembly know. And maybe assembly will give you something, but that one will not be announced by on air. But if we announce it, people building will have problem.
So the building is very close and I say opposite TV XYZ, and so the moment and demolition cost na na say omobes one add more official we say one bra studio hona ombe church mu the cost of the reason why the demolition exercise na sa doors work home do. So I also joined him and I just say may imagine say me try to answer any questions now. Oh yeah, no need na ain't no take a listen. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah, usually even home videos. But videos, neutral video, I don't know to me maybe I depend one year. Dear media, Mutumba, you say a chinko for a crabina, say a prosecutor man to serve as a deterrent.
Okay. Yeah, that's a papa said one joint.
And then that coordination is there between the assemblies and them. But be obesity than be or honor. It means that it's unauthorized. Unauthorized means a nipa na for permit procedure. Because answer now, obesity na even more permit. Nyama obe process obe film. First of all, say baby we see that put your waterway and our wetland. Wetlands are not titlement. And if you don't have a title, you cannot even apply for permits. In the region, you can only cat and we see that. So, it is not an you. And it is an assembly task force. I'm not task force for works department. I'm not as it's a Mojuma. Sorry, they should be going around. Person okay, you sit down back. The punish has a bear near the good. We go ahead, back up trust stop work. No more jam, we have a conan panel. They sit down. From the beginning, the panel starts here near to anchor. We wouldn't get where we are now. Because most of these buildings are when you'll be any permits, which means that on far processes. If you go through the process, anchor, I don't think you know permit any papa name. to go to the whole lot of fire service can not be wrong. Now you'll be a man consent and son. Finally, the permit to be issued.
That's about it for today's Move with Big Hawa. See you in my next video. Enjoy this and bye bye.
Planning committee is the most constituted because we abide by every rule of the act. We have everybody. We have from engineers, fire. We have integrity people. We have almost everybody. Lands. Everybody is there. So the committee is well constituted, and we do our work to ensure that the structures that they put up conform to all the rules.